Thank you, Kyati. Distinguished thought leaders, speakers, researchers, academicians, industry colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Organization of Pharmaceutical Producers of India, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to OPPI's virtual annual summit, Changing Frontiers of Healthcare Research in a Dynamic and Digitized World. Due to some urgent commitment, Honorable Minister Sri Mansukh Mandavia ji is unable to attend the inaugural session. We are thankful to the Honorable Minister for his leadership and encouragement to the healthcare sector. For our industry, dynamism and digitization have been the guiding principles, particularly over the past 2 years. The pharma sector, in close collaboration with the government and other stakeholders, helped address the pandemic effectively. Thanks to the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi, and Honorable Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji, that we have been able to address this pandemic in a very effective manner. The government's strong commitment to address the public health crisis is highly commendable, and OPPI member companies, along with several other stakeholders, have played a key role in developing and supplying vaccines and therapeutics in India and across the world through close collaborations. We would like to take this opportunity to applaud the efforts of our members for their vital role in providing voluntary licenses and technology transfer to path-breaking vaccines and therapies. The pandemic has shown us that we need a future-ready model of disease surveillance and response for our people. This road is paved with research and development, from understanding the ailment to responding to and eliminating it. This was well illustrated by the sector's response to COVID. R&D through collaborations across industry, academia, and government stakeholders was the key which helped fast track from sequencing the virus to developing multiple vaccines, therapies, as well as diagnostics. The government's commitment to boosting R&D is reflective in our rank in the 2021 Global Innovation Index. From 81 in 2015, we have moved to 46 in 2021. While this is certainly attributable to the tremendous advancement we have made in the information technology and space sector, we must also acknowledge that pharmaceutical innovation, especially in vaccines and therapeutics, is also a very significant contributor. However, being future ready includes driving forth the vision of a research-based biopharmaceutical ecosystem rooted in innovation. This is only possible through frequent dialogue to understand and enhance partnership and encourage newer collaborations to advance R&D within the conducive policy landscape. Under the government's Make in India initiative, we have established a leading position in generic manufacturing. Now, as we continue accelerating our momentum to improve public health outcomes in India and across the world, it is important to sustain the spirit of innovation and collaboration we witnessed over the past 2 years and move from Make in India to Discover in India. In a clarion call to innovate in India, the Honorable Prime Minister rightly said, I quote, "The need of the day is to work while anticipating the needs of the future and to make innovations for tomorrow," unquote. As OPPI, we are aligned with the Prime Minister's vision to discover and innovate in India. In addition to streamlining regulations and improving ease of doing business, the government has also introduced the draft policy to catalyze R&D and innovation in the pharma and medtech sector, which enunciates the commitment to encouraging R&D in both pharmaceutical as well as medical tech sector by strengthening the regulatory framework, incentivizing investments, and creating a facilitatory ecosystem for innovations. What is encouraging for the future of research in our country is the government's commitment towards building an even more predictable, transparent, and consistent policy environment through closer collaboration amongst all stakeholders. The power of digitization has been in full play given the pandemic, when the healthcare sector seized the digital opportunity, bringing in unprecedented levels of ease of access, safety levels, and convenience. This value is further underpinned by the Ayushman Bharat digital mission, which provides universal healthcare by integrating the digital systems within the healthcare infrastructure. The increased allocation for the National Digital Health Mission from 36,576 crore in 21-22 to 37,000 crores in 22-23 will strengthen digital innovation within the healthcare landscape, which, when effectively leveraged, will pave the way for a new era of opportunities across the value chain, be it in drug innovation, diagnostics, and disease management. This OPPI annual summit aims to highlight the challenges, opportunities, and thus a roadmap for a digitized environment suited to meet the needs of a dynamic world with evolving patient needs. We could probably call it as Pharma 2.0. Over the next 2 days, we will recognize individuals and organizations for their pioneering contribution to healthcare industry and encourage researchers. We are fortunate to have several distinguished global and local research thought leaders who will discuss, deliberate, share their insights on the changing frontiers of healthcare research in a dynamic and digitized world. We look forward to the deliberations in the next 2 days. Thank you so much.